Hey guys, it's Ray from RLCoach12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to take a quick look at the Ghostek Atomic Slim 3 for the Samsung Galaxy S20. Now in my time with EpicDroid, I have done a lot of case reviews, and I have seen a ton of cases. And for the most part, they are all good cases. However, it's not very often that I get to look at a case with features that I've never seen before, and the Atomic Slim 3 has features that I've never seen. Now this case is available for the entire S20 lineup. We are going to be using this S20 dummy device today. Unfortunately, I do not have a real S20 as of yet, but the case is available for the S20, the S20 Plus, as well as the S20 Ultra. So before we put the case on the phone, there's two things I recommend you do first. The very first thing I recommend is that you clean off the back of the phone. You want to get a nice little microfiber cloth, wipe off any fingerprints or dust or anything that's on the back there, and it doesn't hurt to do a quick couple of sprays with compressed air just to make sure you get anything loose off of it. Once you've done that, you're going to do the same thing to the case. Once you've gotten it all cleaned off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that case on the phone. To do it, you're going to take the power and the volume buttons first, and you're going to slide those in, and it will be a tight fit. Push down on your corners, and presto, it's on, and this thing looks amazing. The first thing I'm going to point out is the thing that sets it apart from every other case, and that is the metal frame. This frame goes across the top, it goes down the sides. Here on the sides, you will see there are cutouts. There is a TPU piece here that sticks through. Makes it so you can grip that and hold it a lot easier. And then the metal frame extends around the bottom here. It has a cutout there for your microphone, for USB-C charging port, as well as for your speaker. And then it goes up the other side. And here on this part you have the cutouts for the power and the volume buttons. Those power and the volume buttons, I can't test them completely because this is a dummy device. However, there is a nice little bit of resistance there, and they do maintain some of that clickiness that you get with the actual device. Now again, because I have not used this on an actual device yet, on a real device, I don't know if they will work. However, I can tell you just from what I feel here, I do feel like it will work and that you won't have any issues with the real thing. Along with the metal frame, there are these TPU corners. Those corners are extra thick, and so when they hit, you're going to be getting some impact protection from those as well as that metal frame. Here on the back, we do have a nice deep cutout there for the camera, the flash, and the other sensors, and then we have this clear panel right here. So it does look like I missed a couple of fingerprints there on the device before I put it on. Thought I did better than that. Unfortunately, I'll have to take this case off, and I'll have to clean those up before I put this on again. So all in all, I really like this case. I like the look of it, I like the feel of it, and I like the grip of it. You think with that metal body that it'd be a lot slicker than it is. However, it does seem to maintain some natural grippiness. It's a little bit slicker than a standard TPU case. However, it does still feel grippy enough that I'm not worried I'm going to be dropping it. I super like having this metal frame. I miss the days where we had metal devices that would survive through anything, and so it's nice to have this metal body case that I know is going to survive any impact and will protect my device no matter what. The case does come in a wide variety of colors. It is available for the S20, the S20 Plus, as well as the S20 Ultra. We'll have links in the description down below where you can order them for yourselves. But if you guys have any questions about the Atomic Slim 3 or about Ghostek's other products, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.